you love when your pizza dough is super thin and has that ultra crispy result, you're gonna love the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo thin and crispy setting. And you can achieve it in just 7 minutes. Before we make our barbecue chicken thin and crispy pizza, let's preheat the oven. First, we need to insert the pizza stone into the oven cavity. Next, turn the style dial to the thin and crispy setting. The time dial lights will illuminate with the recommended time for this setting. You can adjust the time by turning this dial. You'll notice the temp light start to flash, which indicates that the oven is preheating. Once the temp light stops flashing and stays on, the oven is ready for use. Be sure to spread the toppings and sauce right to the edge. Now, we'll use the pizza peel to place the pizza directly on the pizza stone, but don't use the peel if you're using the pizza pan. Now, press the time dial to start the countdown timer. A handy tip when cooking any type of pizza is to make sure that your oven is preheated before placing the pizza into the oven. If you're cooking multiple pizzas, wait until the At Temp light turns solid before loading your next pizza. And if you're cooking different types of pizzas, be sure to start with the type that uses the lowest temperature. At the end of the cooking cycle, the oven alert will sound, and the time dial lights will flash and then go out. You can now remove your pizza. Wow, that is some seriously thin and crispy pizza.